안녕하세요. Welcome to Oppa Store. I'm John from Oppa Store. Nice to meet you. And today we're gonna have a first review for K merchandise, and the item is BT21 LED digital desk clock. Let's have a look. We have a Tata here, and Koya, and Shuki, Mang, Chimi, Cookie, RJ. Alright, we're gonna open Mang. Let's check package first. BT21 LED digital desk clock and Roiche. Roiche is the Korean company making home electric appliance. They have like clock, mouse, keyboard, humidifier, other stuff. And beside the package, you can see Mang, Tata, Chimi, here RJ, Shuki, Cookie, Koya, all 7 members here. And backside there is a basic function and some detail about the items. So we open now. So we check this box first. Inside, battery AAA size, 3-piece, and power cable. This is manual, user manual, but only in Korean language. But you don't need to worry because I'm gonna explain everything. Only in Korean. No English. So let's just see the clock. Baby Mang, BT21, 613. Do you know about this meaning, 613? This is the date for the first BTS album, Too Cool for School. The release date was 2013, June 13th. So this is the debut date for BTS. And this is real bamboo and very smooth, good texture. And at the back side there is a 4 button, set, up, down, reset. And yeah, this glass is smooth. Yes. So let's turn on clock first. Battery 1, battery 2, battery 3. Okay, get rid of this sticker. Yes. So we got the power, and we need to set the time. So press this set button for 2 seconds. Then, okay, now we set the year. 2021 and month. Today is March 14. And I want to use 12-hour system. Then the time now 6 p.m. So this white dot showing each PM, and when there is no white dot it means AM. So I go for 6 p.m. and okay, now 6:01, and here for alarm, but I don't need it now. So finish. So I just finished setting, and so here we have a power cable. So this clock you can use with battery, but without battery you can just connect this cable to adapter, then turn on this clock. Let's try. Take out battery first. Okay, now it's turn off. Connect. Yes. So this one is working perfectly without battery. So we go back. 1, 2. So here's 3 buttons. Set button, you can choose display mode. So I choose display 1. And now you can see the time for 10 seconds and 2 seconds for the date, another 2 seconds for the temperature. So now you will see yes, date, January 1st, and 17 Celsius, and back to time. Okay, if you choose display 2, it will show only time. So after 10 seconds, it doesn't change. But I want to see date and temperature, so I choose display 1. Okay, and this up, you can choose the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. So in Korea we use Celsius, so I choose this. And down, this button, you can choose the battery saving mode. So this is on SD, and if you press one more time, just SD. When I choose on SD, like the display will be off after a few seconds. So let's wait. Okay, now the display is off and you clap. You can make any sound. Then the sound will turn on the screen display. Then there's another way to turn on the display. The second way is just touching. So yeah, there are 2 ways to turn on display, and you can save battery. And this clock, you can choose the brightness of display. So you press up button for 2 seconds. This is L3. I make down. L2, L1, L0. So there is 4 levels for the brightness. So you can choose what you like. L1, 2, 3, and 0. Okay. And this part, you can put name card or photo card. So here I got J-Hub. You can keep like this. Yes, so you can put your bias here. So we are done first review, and thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel, and see you next time. Bye.